Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and a user reached out and said, hey, I want to be able to get all those cool shapes that aren't available on my school account. I've got a solution for you, so let's get cracking. So real quickly before we start, I'm going to hit Create New Design. So friends, the way this works, if you go over here and click Shape Library, you've got this beta of all these amazing things. There are pages of them. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom and click these. So you can see there's 3 pages of these. You can switch between them and see the cool things that have been made. You can also switch to other ones like the vehicles and machines. When you click on these, friends, this is where you find the all-terrain tire that I just showed you how to create. Don't forget also you can switch between popular. You'll notice that one gets used a lot. And you can choose new. There are lots of cool little pieces that you can add to your projects. Remember, when you want one of these, all you do is bring it out and boom, you can get to work on it. I don't want that, so I'm just going to hit delete and get rid of it. Once again, you've got design starters, creatures, vehicles, structures, materials for making, hardware, electronics, playthings, learning, and everyday objects. But if you're using a school account, some of the accounts have this shut off, so you can't get access to it. I've got a way that you can find it, so here's how you do it. Alright friends, so the technique is really crazy simple. Just create your own Gmail account. If you've already got one, then you're already all set. And then if you're using a school Chromebook, you'll have to work on a different device. You may be able to do it on your phone if your phone is fast enough. If not, do it on somebody's PC. And then in that account, visit Tinkercad.com. So this is just an account I created. It has my name, of course, and then it has an email that I just made up. Once you hit log in on Tinkercad, simply choose sign in with Google. And because this one is not managed by your school or by your classroom, you'll have access to all the pieces that you want. I always skip this, and then when we hit create new design, if you click right over here, bam, all the pieces are available to you. Now say you want these pieces in your current school project, what you can do is bring them in. Make sure you're patient. Right there I wasn't patient, and that's why I've got 3 of them. And I'm going to bring in the little bug or spider, and then friends. And then friends, to get this to your other one, pick a cool name. I'm going to call it 3 Things I Need. And then simply share it with yourself. So I'm going to generate a link, copy that link, and then in your Gmail, so I'm going to just hit Gmail right here. You can create a Gmail where you write your school account. So I'm going to hit compose, and let's say we're sending it. I'm going to send mine to HLModTech, and I'm going to say 3 parts, and I'm going to hit send. So then back in my school account, I'm going to hit create new design. This one will be blank. Then I'll visit my email, and I'm going to open that share link. So watch this. We've got 1, 2 Tinkercads. This one blank. This one has the cool pieces that we just created. You could do it one at a time or simply select all of them. I'm going to hit Control C to copy. You could also come up here and hit copy. Move to your other Tinkercad that does not have the ability to bring in these shapes. And when you do Control V, boom, you've actually got all those shapes available to you. Those, my friends, are the steps to get the cool shapes in your school Tinkercad account. Alrighty friends, a quick shout out to Superboy Pro 1566. Thanks so much for the idea, and I hope you guys all find this totally useful. Friends, if you do find the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion for the next movie, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.